This is the Avantree HT380 Hearing Enhancement Set for TV. Here's a look at what you'll find inside the box. To set up, first connect the dock to a power source. And turn on the neck loop receiver by flipping the power switch to on. Then plug the earphones into the receiver. There are 4 ways to connect the HT380 to your TV: optical, auxiliary, RCA, and external microphone. We recommend using the first 3 ways. If you have optical, simply connect the HT380 to your TV using the optical cable we provided. Next, go to the sound settings menu on your TV and make sure that your sound format has been set to PCM. And please make sure that you select external speaker in your sound settings menu. If you're using auxiliary, connect the HT380 to your TV's headphones jack using the auxiliary cable we provided. And make sure that you set your TV's audio output to headset. Finally, if you have an older TV with RCA port, please utilize the RCA adapter and auxiliary cable to connect the HT380. And please make sure that you select external speaker in your sound settings menu. In the unfortunate case of not having any of the above options, you may utilize the external microphone. Place the microphone end near your TV speakers and plug the other end into the transmitter dock via the auxiliary cable provided. If you'd like to learn more about HT380's amazing customizable options, please see our other video regarding HT380 sound adjustment. Thanks for watching.